Optional, secure launcher with 2 tent pegs. Attach bike pump, air compressor, or scuba tank to Schrader valve. Depending on pump head, locking lever may need to face down to fit. A 10-foot Q-release air hose extension is available on our website. Also, a 10-foot air compressor connect hose is available. Stretch out brake cable completely straight. Push brake cable end into slack adjustment ring on lever. Insert nipple on other end of brake cable into the clamp-on cable stop. Place funnel in the nozzle of the rocket. Pour water rapidly up to the brim and stop. Let the contents of the funnel drain into the rocket. This will yield about 1 cup of water inside the rocket. Water level will be close to the score mark on center tube. Adding excess water will cause the rocket to veer off. Attach tank sprayer to quick release M plug. Employ a weighted fall-away nose cone. Pressurize the tank sprayer with 10 pumps or more. Open the mini ball valve to fuel the rocket. Close the valve when the water level reaches the score mark. Adding excess water will cause the rocket to veer off. Pump to desired pressure between 15 to 120 psi. Tilting is not recommended. Rocket will crash following its trajectory arc. If tilted, secure launcher with tent pegs to keep it from tipping over. Minimize drift by slightly launching into the wind. Enable vertical launching by adjusting for sloped terrain. Normally position vertically by eyeballing or with a level. Detach the tank sprayer. Remove the cable or it will compress the hose quick release spring when coiled. Coil the cable and place it over the launcher for storing. Detach the air source. Initial launches, try air only at 60 and 80 psi.